Hello and welcome back to my channel where we talk about outdoor gear and the trips me and my friends and family take. So today we are talking about the Outdoor Vitals Ultralight Stretch Pillow. Comes in this wonderful carrying sack. Only weighs 2.6 ounces, probably one of the lightest pillows on the market. Like we were saying, comes in this carry case. It's got also one of the simplest valves on the market. I have been using this pillow now for going on 2 years. I love it, but we'll talk about its pros and its cons. So, pro, super light. Pro, great design. Pro, easy to inflate. 2 breaths for me, and it's fully inflated. Easy to deflate. So it's both a pro and a con, and I'll talk about that in the middle. So pro, easy to deflate. You just stick your finger in, and away it goes. With that, when it is partially deflated, I have had the valve start to slowly leak when there's not enough pressure on the other side. This is a con, really my only con. And it seems to do so even with the valve door shut. This pillow seems to be highly susceptible to temperature changes. So for purely weight purposes, I will take this pillow and this pillow alone. The other con is there are no pad straps. I use an Outdoor Vitals mummy bag as my primary set, so I just tuck this nice into the hood and I don't have it move around. But in the summer, when I'm not using the heavy duty sleeping bag, or I'm using just a quilt, it does tend to slide around. It's made of the same material on both sides, which also makes it super comfortable. It does have this notch here, so it sets into my shoulder real well. It's got this ear well here. I don't know that's exactly what it's called for or what it's meant to do, but it allows my ear to rest nicely, and it does flex quite a bit. It does seem to stretch, so whether I'm using this between my legs when I'm side sleeping or as my pillow, super comfortable. That ear well is on both sides, so it doesn't matter which way I'm using the pillow. It's good to go. Like I said, deflation, super simple, set and press. I really like about that is it also allows me to get it super flat when I'm hacking and rolling, because all I have to do is release it a little bit. So just roll it up, release, there you go, inside the sack. I'm ready to hit the trail. This is one of my favorite pillows I have used long term. So I'll be testing a bunch of pillows out and have been for the last 2 years. This has a strong mention. I would give this a 4.5 out of 5 stars. So if this type of review interests you, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing this video out. And until next time, happy trails.